So we have two truck drivers leaving a rest area on the interstate at the same time. One truck travels east and the other one travels west. The truck traveling west travels at 70 miles per hour, and the truck traveling east has an average speed of 60 miles per hour. How long will they travel before they are 325 miles apart? So let's take a look at what's happening here. You've got a rest stop, let's call it RS, and you've got one truck that travels to the west. So he's driving away from the rest stop going west at 70 miles per hour. And then you've got another truck that's traveling to the east, leaving the same place, traveling to the east, and he's traveling at 60 miles per hour. That's the rate. And it's asking us for how long will they travel before they are 325 miles apart. So this distance that they're going to travel is 325 miles. And we're asked for how long, which means time. So we're asked to find the time that the trucks are traveling. Okay, so let's use a table to organize our thoughts and keeping this diagram in mind. Okay, so let's go to the table. So we have our westbound truck, and then we have our eastbound truck. And we know the rates. Those are the speeds in miles per hour. And we have that the westbound truck is going, that's the one that's traveling 70 miles per hour. And we know that the eastbound truck was traveling 60 miles per hour. Okay, and then we were asked to find the time that it takes for them to be 325 miles apart. Oh, so we do know that total distance that they're traveling, don't we? We know that the total distance that they're going to travel is going to be 325 miles. So let's put that there. Let's put that in our table. And we were asked to find the time. So let's use T as our time in hours. And of course, both trucks are traveling the same time because they left the rest stop at the same time. So both of these get T as their hours. And we know that rate times time equals distance. So we have 70T, which is going to be the distance the westbound truck travels. And then the eastbound truck travels 60T, 60 times T miles. And what do we know about the relationship between these distances? Well, we know that the westbound distance added to the eastbound truck's distance, total they're traveling 325 miles. So that's going to be our equation. So let's go ahead and write that down. So the equation is that 70T plus 60T is equal to 325. Okay, well this is good. To solve this, let's just combine the like terms. So 130T equals 325. And then we're going to, of course, divide both sides by 130. And so T equals 2.5 hours. So we were asked to find how long it would take for the trucks to be 325 miles apart. And now we know that it takes the trucks 2.5 hours to be 325 miles apart.